Hello everyone, welcome to our project presentation. Our title is Optimizing the Excess for Essential Nourishment. We, the team of three, myself, SUBANU, SUBASHINI GS, and Swetha B, has done a project with the guidance of Mrs. C. Preeti Ma'am, the Assistant Professor of SIT. Abstract. We do not need to cure hunger. We know how to solve hunger. We came up with such a solution in which the end of the day foods are directly sent to the trust and the NGO people for their needs. In this system consists of admin, food providers and the trust modules respectively. In addition to this, any individual can buy the end of the day foods for half of its regular price from the food providers such as hotels and restaurants. Introduction. The food waste is viewed as both sustainable issues and a food security issues, but the economical issues because it adversely affects the financial viability of the entire food supply chain. The project goal is to gather the leftover food from many food suppliers, including the restaurant. The web application acts as a transitional platform between different food resources and a non-profit organization that significantly reduces the food waste. Literature survey. In the year of 2018, a community-based composting project is done by examining the effectiveness of the community-based composting program in reducing the food waste at the household level. In 2019, the legalization under food waste project is done by investigating the impact of the governmental regulation and the policies on food waste reduction, focusing on the case studies from different regions. In the year of 2020, the Reducing the Food Waste in Retail project is done by investigating the strategies to minimizing the food waste in a retail settings, exploring the impact of the inventory management, consumer education and technology interventions. In the year of 2021, the technology-driven waste tracking project is done by utilizing the IoT devices and the data analytics for real-time monitoring of food waste in commercial kitchens and restaurants. Problem identification. The foods are thrown out of the garbage waste. The foods that are delivered to the slum people where manual process is required more. The food providers has to search for the NGOs and orphanages to deliver the food. The phone connection is required to reach the NGOs authorities. Sometimes it delays the process and maybe the food expired. Objective. To develop a website for a direct contact among the providers and the needy people. To ease the process of food sharing. To minimize the negative impact of the food waste on the environment. Enable the food providers such as the restaurants, caterings to easily donate the surplus edible food to a charitable organization or a trust in their local community. Here is our system architecture. The implementation of modules. The hardware specification. The processor is Intel, RAM 2 GB, hard disk is 500 GB. The software specification. The development technology we are using is PHP, the database is MySQL and the operating system is Windows 7. Novelty of the project work. To solve the existing problem, the food providers use an information about the excess food details to an admin. The trust members are registered in our system who are in the need of the food will request for the excess food which are updated by the food providers. Then the trust people can collect the food from the food provider's location by acknowledging the OTP code. Modern tool usage. As we embark our creating dynamic and enhancing the website using the WordPress, we are leveraging a range of a modern tool and technology to ensure the seamless development process and cutting edge digital presence. Here an overview of the key tool we are incorporating into our WordPress project. The WordPress project CMS, a contact management system, is the backbone of our website, serving as a versatile and a user-friendly CMS. Its robust features allows us to easily manage the content, update pages, and maintain a consistent design across the site. Thank you.